Lavender Witch by Cherriuki, special treatment using electric diamonds. One option that you can do for this treatment is to place the electric diamonds on the pearls on her hat. You can also, if you would like, place the electric diamonds in the background simply by sprinkling it in the white background. And there is also other options such as sprinkling it on the purple areas of her hat, which is that purple ribbon. You can also sprinkle it on the lightest areas of the highlights of her hair. So basically it gives you a lot of freedom to be creative and how you would like to add some enhancements and extra sparkle to your painting.